Hi, Danny. I've heard that if you install a digital thermostat, it will lower your utility bills. Is that true?
Vicki, you sound a little skeptical. I don't blame you either. There are tons of gimmicks out there that say they will save you money. People always want to know what's real and what's not. What you're thinking about is called a programmable thermostat, and believe it or not, it can save you a lot of money. But how much is really up to you. These devices allow you to automatically turn your thermostat back 10 to 15 degrees for the hours of the day when your house is empty. By doing this, you can save up to 15% a year on your heating and cooling bill. Obviously, this works best if you have somewhat of a consistent schedule that leaves the house empty for long periods of time. And programming some of these units can be a little complicated, so make sure you're very comfortable with the functions of the unit before you install it. The one exception here is a home with a heat pump. A typical programmable thermostat may actually make a heat pump less efficient, but there are newer hybrid thermostats on the market now that can be used with these systems.